Hi everyone. So I've made a few updates to the latest core version of the DIY Raffle website. Now, what we're looking at right now is actually version 2. So I have already made an update video if your website looks like this. So it has this how to play and this footer kind of looks like this. So I already have made a update video that is on my YouTube channel. So I click here, go to my YouTube channel. Just here where it says how to upgrade your existing Raffle website to version 3. What this video is going to be an update to version 3.3. Now that comes with a lot of kind of quality of life updates that automatically get applied for you, but also gives you a few more options within the Raffle options here. Mostly being this enable alternate progress bar. It's just a much nicer looking progress bar than the kind of already slightly blank bar. You'll see here that it's kind of a circle that hovers above and then a bar grows in between here. So I wonder if we have another one, if I can show you. Anyway, let's quickly buy like 40 tickets just so you can see. All right, so back to the product, you'll see this progress bar grows with your primary color, and at the top shows the percentage, the tickets sold, and the tickets remaining. This is obviously mobile responsive as well, so it all looks really, really good. And there's other couple of updates with other plugins just to kind of keep the ball rolling, making sure your website is secure and all the rest of it. So I'm going to go and take this version 2, I'm going to follow this video here, which is going to be the version 3 upgrade from version 2. So first of all, go and follow this video, and then you can come back to this one if your website looks like this. But if it already looks similar to this, you're probably already in version 3. So from there, keep on following this video, and we'll carry on. Right, okay, so spend about... Right, that's me updated just to version 3 now. You'll see if you look at the demo website and all the rest of it, you'll see a couple of things missing with the countdown timers on the thing. That's mostly down to these being view winners. But anyway, we'll go and show you where you can download the updates to version 3.3. So if you go to your Breezy WP account, and on the top right hand side where it says my templates, you'll have a new templates or a new updates section. Obviously, if you're a completely new user that you've only downloaded the template within the last, I'd say, couple of weeks, these updates will already be in your website. So all you have to do is click on download. This will download a full zip file, and when unzipped, it'll have these 4 files in it. And what we're going to do is just simply update the files on the website, make that a bit smaller, with the ones that were in this zip file. So a zip that has 4 zips in it. So we go back to the website, go add new, upload plugin. Now each of these, you might already have the latest version, but that's okay because it means that it comes up here saying the version you currently have and the one you've uploaded. We want to always just replace with the current upload. So that's all good there. So we do the same for the next one. So the Raffle Core plugin, you'll see on the left hand side, if you've done this properly, the Raffle options will appear. So you'll see we currently have 1.1.2 and we've uploaded 2.0 basically. So replace it with the current uploaded. All going very well so far. Underneath that, we're going to get the GFNI raffle.zip uploaded first. You'll see that it comes in as what you've uploaded and what the current version is. So that's a good update. Next, we'll add the last one, which is the PN version. Bit of an extension there. And that goes up to 2.2.6. Replace with the current uploaded. So that is all good. Now we can actually go to the plugin section as well and see if we can update a few things. Now this login pop-up box, now a lot of you won't have to update this because you've already done it, and you'll know this caused a bit of an issue at the time. But what you need to do is just click update now. It's quite a large update. Although it took quite quickly. I'll have to show you how to change a few things on the site after that is updated. Next, payment, trust payments. You can update this if you like. If everything's kind of working as expected to an extent, I know there's some issues with soft declines at the minute, but as long as you're transacting at least 95% of your orders, then there shouldn't be an issue at all. You shouldn't really need to update this. But if you like, you click update now, and that'll update to the latest version. Next is the WooCommerce. Now, I've tested on the latest version of WooCommerce, so you can update that no problem. Also, if you're asked to update to WordPress 6 point whatever, just hide this notice here, you can go ahead and update that as well. I've tested it with WordPress 6 and everything's working fine. You'll get an update database in progress, or update WordPress WooCommerce database update thing. Just basically click the button and you'll be fine. That just updates a few things in the database. Next, I want to go to the competition tab. Now, a few of these should be set up for you, but just make sure where it says competition history tab that you uncheck that. We don't actually use this on the prize pages. It slows down the page far too much and takes up too much data, so we don't want the server to crash. Everything else should be set up for you, no problem at all. Click on Save Changes. I mentioned about the login/sign up page. Updating it seems to absolutely refresh everything. So if you go in and click in Save Changes again, for some reason that seems to work. Go to Style, and you'll see where sidebar width is currently 40. Set that to 0 and remove the sidebar image that they set up. You can even reset all these options and do it again. Apparently that's one of the options that the theme or the plugin creator had mentioned. Go to Fields, and then in the user fields you can see what's available and active at the time. So it seems like everything is okay, and we just click on Save, and hopefully that will refresh the cache and everything for your customer, or for your customers to log in. If something doesn't go to plan, then just refresh your cache and do all those things again. But most of you won't have to do that. So we'll go back to the homepage of the website. You'll see not much has changed, mostly because these are all finished. All these competitions are finished. So let's make a new product. I go to the product. You'll see that not really much has changed here. A lot has changed behind the scenes, especially in mobile design. Where it goes to change, we can change in the raffle options. Obviously, we can have the postal entry address. But here where it says enable alternate progress bar, we'll click OK. And give this a refresh. You'll see on the homepage now we have that lovely countdown timer and everything that's sold, price per ticket. And you'll go in and you'll get the other version of the progress bar like we've seen in the start of this video. Sorry, one update I actually didn't show was display the date of the next competition banner automatically, and you can place it anywhere using the shortcode. So if you just copy this shortcode, and one place I do like to put this, if I go to the homepage, edit the homepage, is actually replace the this section here. So if I go text, I usually just overwrite the text. Just looks like this. And that's a simple shortcode to add that functionality to your homepage. Now you can click this on and off. You can kind of see this section is now taking the next live draw date from this competition, because that's the next one that's going to be live. You can hide this without removing it from your homepage. You can go to the raffle options and then uncheck next competition banner. Give this a refresh and you'll see it just disappears. So maybe you want it on a few days before the competition. All those kinds of ways of managing your website. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll talk to you again soon.